Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best water skis that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Radar Union Water Ski. The Radar Union Water Ski is considered a favorite among the customers. This might be heavily due to the fact that it can ride easily without sacrificing any performance in the process. Since this water ski has extra width overall, it allows you to ride the ski at slower speeds while also allowing the opportunity to advance a rapid pace. It has an all-terrain core, which means the water skis are forgiving and effortless. It comes in 4 different sizes depending on your preference and weight: 65, 67, 69, 71 inches, and all have a maximum speed of 32 miles per hour. The Radar Union Water Ski allows for endless turns and lots of fun. Moving on at number 4, we have Sports Hovercraft. The Sports Hovercraft with fin water ski has the surface area equivalent to 2 skis combined, which means that once it is up, it rips through the water just like a surfboard. There's no doubt that this type of board is perfect for those beginners that want surf-inspired rides. Moreover, this ski has great control and better balance and even works perfectly at lower speeds. The fuller ski outline means the ski is less wobbly, and less water is sprayed on you while skiing. The Sports Hovercraft with fin water ski has a wide track frame, which provides an extra stable platform for easy deep water starts. The lightweight high-flex build allows you to steer from the tail to maneuver or cruise, just like a surfboard dynamically. At number 3, we have Sports Carbon Evo Slalom Ski. The Sports Carbon Evo Slalom Ski has a core made up of lightweight, high-strength paulownia wood in a thinly sculpted manner. This provides the ski with the ability to make effortless turns and to glide across the water in a much more stable manner. The added Carbonet X, which is a layer of diagonally woven carbon fiber that stores and releases energy progressively throughout the ski, allows the ski to become one of a more advanced level. Although it may seem like this ski has a lot of features which might be difficult to work with, this is considered one of the best skis to practice on since it gives optimal performance but is easy to ride as well. At number 2, we have Radar Graviton Trick Water Ski. The Radar Graviton Trick Water Ski might look like it is small, but the features will astound you. It is specifically built to assist both hand and toe tricks by utilizing the dual placement. This allows you to stand centered on the ski alongside, making it easier for you to edge continuously through the top of the wake. It has a slightly shorter flat spot, which develops into more of a rocker shape towards the tip and tail. This ultimately gives the ski a lighter sensation. Since this results in less contact with the water, it means faster surface turns on both hands and feet are possible. The new side cut lines of the Graviton have one smooth radius from the center section of the ski through the tip and tail, which give the ski a smoother carve to the wake after you land a trick. And finally at number 1, Radar Excalibur. The Radar Excalibur, blue, black, combo water skis embraces the concept of combo skiing as the future of enjoyment behind a moving boat. This is a great way for someone to learn how to ski with the excitement of the boat carrying them until they are ready to switch to a single water ski. These Excalibur combos are designed explicitly with high-end tech for the most efficient side cut found in 2 skis. Moreover, since there is an additional surface area from the 2 skis, it allows you to have a more effortless and stable ride throughout. This ski does come in 2 sizes, 59 and 67 inches with a maximum speed of 26 and 28 miles per hour respectively. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.